Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with valuecharts.com. It is Thursday, February 25th. We're going to take a look at crude oil, and more specifically what crude oil is doing right now, and about looking at this trend line and this well-defined trend line that we've had, and how crude oil is just broken through and ripped above that here in the afternoon. Now, when you look at a market, okay, and you look at, we had a big up move yesterday, then we consolidated today, we consolidated, and during the trade room today, markets were really choppy, okay, they didn't really go anywhere. They consolidated most of the day, up and down, not really following through either direction. Then what happened is we ended up rallying up, and see this trend line. The thing that makes this a really good trend line is we've been tested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different times, and on the 6th time is when it broke. When you have a trend line or a support resistance level that's been tested multiple times, the more times it is tested, the fiercer the reaction we expect the market to have when it breaks. And you can see in this case, we broke on the 6th test, and we broke at 32.15, and we rallied all the way up to 32.60 in just a matter of 10 minutes or so. So really rocketed higher after breaking through that resistance. So keep an eye on this. Watch for those really well-defined trend lines, really well-defined support resistance levels. Once the market gets through them, or once it's tested it 4 or 5 times, when it finally breaks, we expect that market to really rip in our direction, in the direction of the breakout. So keep an eye out for this type of setup. It works really well. This is one I'm in RBOB right now, which is directly correlated with crude. I'm about to be stopped out on my trailing stop. Worked really well to the upside on the breakout at the same time. So all in all, not a bad day if you were watching for this type of setup, if you were paying attention to this trend line, which we had in the trading room this morning. That's all I have for you for today. I'll see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. And until next time, happy trading.